the iPhone XS Max, and it's the best iPhone ever, and it's the iPhone XS Max. So let's just unbox it. XS Max. Here's typing the logo. Here's the logo, and it's the 256 GB one. Wow! Designed by Apple. Here's some things. This is the iPhone XS Max. Check the iPhone, and here we got like a ports and a cable. And here's the switch. Okay, let's throw it. I just want the iPhone. Here's the like Apple stickers. These are the Apple stickers. So let's just turn it on. Oh, just check the Apple logo. It's the gold one. Yo, just check the screen. Just check that out, guys. I just want to like swipe up. You just check the screen, and it also got like an emoji and face unlock. Let's just set up the face unlock. This is the face unlock. This is the face unlock. Like, just I want to unlock face and how to set up Face ID. Let's get started. Well, it's done. First face up. Continue. Move your head slowly. Complete the circle. Like I don't know what I am doing. It's done. Screen face complete. Face ID is set up. Done. Let's just check this. This is the iPhone XS Max, and just check the Face ID. Swipe up. Unlocked. I just turn it off. Turn it on. Here's my face, and unlocked. And what? Can you see this thing? Oh, it's like so smoothly works. It's so smooth. And this iPhone XS Max is 50 times faster than the iPhone 10. Just check this out. I just face unlocked. So nice. I love it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. Let's find my face. Super cool. Let's just check the slow motion. The slow motion is on, and I will be throw the box of the iPhone 10. This is the box of the iPhone 10. Let's just throw it. Did you check the slow motion? It's super cool. Swipe up. I just love this swipe up system. And as you know, in the previous iPhone, like this is the iPhone 8 Plus. So like I just want to swipe up to go in the control center, but no, we don't want to swipe up. We want to go here. Just check this thing. The previous iPhones, you want to swipe up, but here you want to just go in the corner. If you swipe up from the bottom, all X. But here you want to just double tap the X. So it's like I love it. But this system, like, I love this. On the iPhone, like you want to just touch the home button. Here's like just check this out. Where I do it, like I go in here and here. It's the best one, and it's better than all the iPhones. This is better. I know it's 2019, and the new iPhone will become, I don't know what is name. Okay. Oh my god, I love it like doing this. I love it. And swipe up. Swipe up, I love it. Just swipe up. This is everything what you want to do on your iPhone. Just swipe up. This is all thing. Swipe up. Okay, let's go on the emojis. Unlocked. So cool. Okay, and it's also got like emojis. Let's check the emojis. Oh, hello. Let's check the emojis. Having a fun with emojis. What about the dog? Can I see here? Oh my god. It's alien. The tongue is green. And oh my god, this is okay. So check my face. I'm not a dog. I'm not like that. Hi, subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe. It's really nice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all the notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.